This knife is so dull. Let's get it forking sharp. Okay, so you need some forks. Don't take your mother's best ones. Now you angle it in there. Use your Leatherman to bend it a bit. Bend, 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 bend. More bending is coming up. More bending, more bending. Okay, bend it down and bend it up. Bend it down and bend it up. There we go. Okay, use your Sharpen. Thank you, Outdoor 55. And bend, bend. Oh, put the angle. There we go. Check your angle. That's way too steep. Gonna be around 17. But what do you know? Start. Hold the base of the fork. Do it as the flip. You're gonna do this for about 20 minutes. Backwards and forwards and flip the stone on each bird. Leave your rating in the comments for this forking hack. Strap on a canvas belt. Strap on a leather belt. Be forking careful now, it is forking sharp. Click the bell if you like a sharp knife, then I'll show you more videos.